Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexplus.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 27th of March 2019. First of all guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please must subscribe it, because I provide the technical analysis on the major currency pairs and gold as well. So guys, now we are going to move towards the signals that I have sent in the morning. Okay guys, let's get started with EURUSD, the first pair of the signals report. EURUSD with the bullish expectation from 112,612 and 113,130 is the target price. However, you can see that the bullish channel was already break in the morning, and you can see that within the 4 hours EURUSD kept itself up, and right now this candle is making the bearish pattern, but still it's into the bullish zone. As far as it is above 112,612, then it is in a bullish zone. So if you have traded the EURUSD in the early session of the day, then you must have collected the good profit. Okay, now let's talk about the ongoing signal on AUDUSD. I have supplied the it's bearish. It's not bullish. There is a typing mistake. It's bearish. So I have supplied the bearish signal from 071034. You can see the level is already drawn on the chart, and I was expecting the drop up to let me show you 070695, which is already drawn on the chart here. You can see this is the target price. So AUDUSD is on the move toward the downward direction. If it continues the bearish activity like this, then within a couple of hours or a few hours it is going to hit 070695. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. Okay, we have seen a very strong upward trend on this pair, and I have supplied the bullish signal right from the morning. 133,965 is the bullish entry, and that was already break, and 134,299 was the target price. And guys, you can see within the 3 hours we have hit our target price, and those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on USD Canadian dollar, they must have ended with good profits. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain pound JPY. We have seen that it's going up, and I have supplied the bullish signal from 145869, and 147978 is the target price. I am just going to take you towards the higher time frames. So on the higher time frames, you can see the market is pumping up. On the daily time frame, you can see the market is pumping up. So guys, overall I am bullish on Great Britain pound JPY. It already went up, and if it continues the bullish activity like this, then it can reach up to 147978. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. This signal isn't expired at the moment. It's just fighting on the entry level. So guys, I have done some scalping, but if you see that the market breaks again 124,533, then it will be back into the bullish zone, and 125,487 is the target price. But overall, you can see there is no good momentum in the market right from the morning. The market is just leaning on a certain level, and we have seen no volatility on this pair. At last, I am going to talk about AUDJPY, which is the last pair of my signals report. So AUDJPY with a bearish expectation from 78487 and 77856 is the target price. And guys, you can see the entries broke like 4 hours ago, and we are making the downward. We are going into the downward direction on AUDJPY. If it continues like this, then it can go up to 77856. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the pair has come inside the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. Look, we have received 2 red arrows into the top red boundary, and the pair is down. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts making a bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair. When the candles closes above the middle dotted line, then it can go further up, and when it closes below the dotted line, then it can go further down. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, so if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexplus.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.